What is up, you guys, and thank you so very much for watching this video. My name is Scott. I'm a youth pastor. I'm also a husband and a father. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about this particular tool that I use probably once every 3 weeks to a month, and it is known as a heated beard brush. This company is known as Vikicon, and they are a company that is made, like, their products are made in China. They've got a lot of really cool heated beard brushes for you to try out on Amazon. I picked this guy up for about maybe 50 bucks on Amazon. It came with nothing but just the heated beard brush, and then it came also with this guy right here, which is a beard oil, a 1 ounce beard oil. It says fragrance free, but this thing is strong as all get out. It's very, very strong in the scent profile. I don't even know what it is really that it smells. But this in particular, this is not the reason why I bought this product. I bought this for the sole purpose of using this tool right here, nothing more. The beard oil, in my opinion, is not that great. It is kind of, it makes your beard feel very, very dried out. It is not a very great beard oil in my opinion, but the heated beard brush is actually really awesome. And in today's video, what I want to do is I want to demonstrate and show you guys how to actually use a heated beard brush, because when it comes to using a heated beard brush, we may not know how to use it properly. And that's why I want to make this video, to show you guys how I use it once a month. And again, it's been a great tool. This guy right here, this particular product, it cost me 50 bucks on Amazon. It's a great tool to have in your lineup if you want to help your beard naturally start to grow down this way instead of poofing out. And my beard does it all the time, where it will shoot out like this. Even if I've taken really good care of it, it always seems to pop out. And so I like to try my very best to get it just to go straight down like this. And so I use this particular tool to help me accomplish that. So without further ado, let's jump into this video and show you guys how to do this. But before we do that, if you guys want to, consider subscribing to the channel. Consider also too leaving a comment, maybe hitting the notification bell, sharing this with your friends and family. But also too, don't forget, leave a comment below. I would love to get to know you guys more in the comment sections. And if you guys want to, you can follow me on Instagram. You guys can see that all info in the description below. But here we go. Let's talk about Vikicon's heated beard brush. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? Well, welcome back, and I hope that you guys enjoyed that quick little tutorial, and I hope you guys like the music in the background. I didn't want to, cause a little bit of a, it's just you guys just sitting there watching me being like, what's he gonna do next? But I really wanted you guys just to see kind of how I use this particular tool, and I really enjoyed using this tool. Like I said before, I try to use this tool pretty much every 3 weeks to about a month. I don't use it every single day. There's sometimes, where you're just having a really rough beard week. We've all had those before where things don't really seem to be going so well, or you get like the classic, mask, dent in your beard and it just feels awful. And so you want to try and help prevent that or try and get rid of that. So you're using the blow dryer, using butter, conditioner, all that kind of stuff. I actually find that this has been a great tool over the last year or so of using it. I found it really helps straighten out my beard nicely, especially my sides. My sides really tend to stick out really far. And as you guys saw in that video, I basically just go straight upwards like this, and then I come back down and I go about, about a minute and a half or so, just basically just combing through very, gently, not aggressively or anything like that. Work on the mustache. And what I'm really trying to do is just focus in on trying to get these beard hairs, this side over here straight and this side over here straight. Over here, again, I do like seeing a little bit of that length there, but it also helps me too that when it comes to maybe I'm due for a trim. And so it actually helps me see all those hairs that are maybe, going a little bit further than the other side. And it helps me just learn where I can straighten up a little bit to keep everything nice and consistent and square and just looking really nice and clean. So I like this tool for a lot of different reasons, and those are some of my big reasons I really do enjoy using it. And as I said before, I don't use this, and I don't really recommend you use this product every single day. I think it's a great tool, but I don't think it's one you have to use every single time. I think you guys can use this maybe every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depends on when you want to use it. But I think it's a really great tool to use and to have in your to have in your bathroom, or to have in, your kit for, taking care of your beard, along with other things. But yeah, definitely this was worth the investment. This cost me about maybe, I think like 50 bucks on Amazon. You guys can go and check out. As you saw too, mine was not cordless. That one's a little bit more expensive than the one with the cord, but I really do like it because it has that wonderful swivel on it. So it's not like, like you're dancing over yourself and trying to, comb. It's really nice swivel, perfect. And it's really easy to use. And again, as you guys saw, it's just a little double click, and then all of a sudden, boom, you can test out, you can change your heat preference. I go about maybe 355 to 375. It all just really depends. But again, always make sure that you're just watching what you're doing. Don't be off in la la land and hold it, and then all of a sudden, you start cooking your beard hair. You don't want to do that. That's a bad idea. But other than that, it's a pretty easy to use product. And that spray that I was using is known as Arctic Spray. You guys can go and pick that up at Husky Beard. If you guys want to, consider using my affiliate code to, hey, if you need a specific product to help with, beard straightening, I definitely recommend using that. It smells minty fresh, it's wonderful, and it's definitely a great, product to use in your beard while using the Heated Beard Brush. But you guys can use my affiliate code with them and save yourself some money. All right, guys, so that is the end of this video. So I hope that you enjoyed yourself and that you learned something from this video. And if you did, make sure you hit a like button. But also too, if you've used Vikicon or any other kind of heated beard brush, please leave that in the comment section below. Share your thoughts on it, your experiences with it. And man, I really am looking forward to seeing what you guys have to say. But until next time, guys, we will see you in the next review. Make sure that you keep your stick on the ice and you treat your beard as something nice. And we will see you later, guys. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.